In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the blocked list on PayPal. This can be handy if you need to manage who you've restricted in your transactions or unblock contacts. Let's get started. First, you need to navigate to the PayPal website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the summary page. This is the hub of your PayPal activity where you can see your balances and recent transactions. Make sure you're familiar with this page as it's usually the starting point for many actions within PayPal. Next, from this summary page, you'll want to click on the Send and Request option. You can find this tab at the top menu bar, typically positioned between Wallet and Deals. By clicking here, you are entering the section where you can manage your contacts, people you've sent money to or requested money from in the past. It's important to understand that PayPal keeps a record of these interactions to simplify future transactions. After you click on Send and Request, you'll be presented with a new page. On this page, you should see a variety of options related to your transactions. Look for the Contacts option and click on Show All Contacts. This will take you to a list of all the contacts you have interacted with using PayPal. Whether you're sending a gift or splitting a bill, these are the people you've previously engaged with financially. Now, once you're on the Show All Contacts page, the next step is critical. Look for the View Blocked Contacts option. This feature is specifically designed to provide you access to the contacts you've blocked, not just those who can't send you requests, but also those you might want to keep an eye on for security reasons. And there you have it. When you click on View Blocked Contacts, PayPal will display the list of all blocked contacts. This section is particularly useful if you're reassessing past decisions or ensuring that your privacy settings still align with your needs. You can see the individuals whom you have blocked, and if needed, you can make any necessary changes. Remember, managing your blocked contacts is an important aspect of maintaining your PayPal account's integrity and security. Should you decide it's time to unblock someone, you can simply reverse the action by selecting them and choosing to unblock. And that's it for today's guide. By following these steps, you'll efficiently manage your block list on PayPal, ensuring you stay in control of your financial interactions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using PayPal.